sexy little song of toys. What's up, everybody? I thought I'd do something different today, so I'm just going to show you a quick little pack of cards that I'm going to open up. First off, I've already bought this pack, but I just want to go ahead and show you just because they're pretty cool. The new Garbage Pail Kids cards. Termite Terry, Buzzed Baron, Grady, Refined Reggie, Fridge Frankie, Owen Bubbles, Flavor Phil, Sweet Ruth, Pinched Pepper, Blue Spew, that one's cool, Twin Keith, Carlene Filling, Perry Premium, No Meat Pete, Sugar Sheena? I don't know, man. Cotton Randy, Snap Sydney, Sugary Crispin, Thin Mindy, Betty Spaghetti, Protein Patrick, Honey Bee, Foot Cheese Charlie, and Ring Poppy. And some of them are kind of copies. I'll go ahead and show you the back real quick. You're supposed to be able to put a picture together. These are pretty cool. Got them up at Target for $5, and they're all stickers, so that's kind of dope. But yeah, that's not what I really wanted to get into. Wanted to get into this, man. Y'all wanted to see me open up some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I caught this at Five Below. Blazing Vortex. So let me open it up here. Do what all the people do, man. I don't know how to do it, but I'll just do it. See what we got. Fairy Archer in Gunnar. One looks pretty dope. I'm not gonna read all the effects, man, because I'm struggling to read these as it is. Not bad. Not even gonna read you the names, man, because that card's pretty dope. I like that one. Nice little trap card. Hopefully there's some spell cards in here. That one's a nice one. Yeah, you guys wanted me to open up one of these packs. Somebody said in the comments, so I had to do it. The last one, let's see what it is. Ooh. That one's crazy, man. I totally did that on accident. Leave the best card for last. That's lit. Look at that mug. That's dope. You know what it is. There it is. I'm trying to fly out of here, man. You know what I'm saying. See y'all next time. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I love you. Toys.
What? Yeah.